Before 2025 ends, what if you could start earning online, right from your phone or laptop? No big investment, no fancy skills, just your time, consistency, and focus. Today, I'll show you 8 real online platforms that can help you build genuine income, from freelancing to micro jobs. So take a deep breath, and let's begin your digital earning journey. Segment 1, Fiverr and Upwork. First up, the giants of freelancing, Fiverr and Upwork. On Fiverr, you can sell almost any skill: graphic design, voiceovers, video editing, writing, or even creative gigs like custom poems or logos. You set your price, upload your work samples, and clients find you. Upwork, on the other hand, lets you apply directly for jobs posted by clients. It's perfect for long-term projects and professional freelancers. These two platforms are ideal if you want freedom to choose your work, your price, and your clients. But what if you don't have a skill yet? Don't worry, our next section is made for you. Segment 2, Clickworker and Remote Tasks. Meet Clickworker and Remote Tasks, 2 micro-job platforms that pay you for small online tasks. Clickworker offers jobs like tagging photos, testing websites, or filling surveys. Every completed task adds dollars to your balance, and you can cash out anytime. Remote Tasks focuses on AI training, helping tech companies improve their models. You might draw boxes on images or label short clips, simple work, paid in real money. Both are beginner-friendly and require nothing but a stable internet connection. Ready to earn smarter? Let's talk about 2 more that reward you for creativity and curiosity. Segment 3, Sprout Gigs and User Testing. Next, Sprout Gigs and User Testing. Sprout Gigs pays you for micro-tasks like signing up on apps, following accounts, or sharing posts. It might seem small, but when you stay consistent, your daily income grows quickly. User testing is a hidden gem. It pays you to test websites and apps. You record your screen, share your opinions, and get paid, sometimes up to $10 per test. It's fun, flexible, and you can do it anytime. And finally, a veteran in this space, a trusted platform that's been paying for years. Segment 4, Microworkers. Microworkers.com, the platform many overlook, but one that truly works. It's been online for over a decade, connecting employers with workers for simple digital tasks. You might verify data, test apps, or promote content. Each job pays in USD. Once you hit the minimum balance, withdraw directly to PayPal or Skrill. Microworkers rewards patience. The more consistent you are, the more opportunities you unlock. And there you have it, 8 proven platforms that can help you start earning online before 2025 ends. You don't need luck. You need consistency, focus, and belief. Pick one platform today, just one, and take your first step. Because one small start can completely change your story. Speech balloon. Comment below, which platform will you start with?